Bro, you gotta get that water up out that shit. Nigga, crank the bike. The hell, come on, man. I gotta get my bike, man. My shit, man. That bitch not in neutral, twin.
I can't, bro, twin.
All right, so what do you need me to do, though?
Bro, look at my fucking choices, bro.
Shit, I'm glad you
The
ain't...
whole front wheel is like in the fucking mud. I'm gonna have to back it.
Oh, you gonna have to back that bit up. All right, fuck.
Fuck you, bro.
Bro, that's what I'm saying. So we didn't see none of this shit, and then Brad had, bro. That shit was bad, bro. That shit was bad. We got to, all right, come on, twin. Heavy ass, like.
Hey, bro.